Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make keychains with your Cricut machine. Before we start this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so first I'm going to be in Fonto. I'm going to hit plain images, and then I'm going to hit any color. I just chose white. Then I'm going to go to color at the bottom. Then I'm going to slide the alpha down to 0. And then I'm just going to use that. And I'm going to add my initial. That's going to be on a keychain. Today it's going to be an A. And here it is, so I'm going to make it bigger. And then what I'm going to do is center it. So I'm going to change the color to black, because if it's white and it's on a white background, when you see it in your photos, it's going to look like a blank screen. So next I'm going to go ahead and type up the name, which is going to be Aurora. And I'm going to use Valentine's. I'm going to use that font. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into Cricut Design Space after I save that and upload all of those images. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my keychain splash from my already uploaded images. And I'm going to insert a circle on the canvas, and I'm going to make that 2x2. And that's the dimensions of the keychain. So now I'm going to shrink all of my words to that size, so I can manage it better and get a good view of it. And so as you can see right now, I'm going to send my circle to the back so I could put all of my images on top of it. So I will put everything on there and then size it just right. And this is what it will turn out to look like when I make everything different colors and I delete the circle in the background. So first I'm going to take off this sticker that's on top of the keychain. And here's it with both of the sides off. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my transfer tape, and I'm going to basically take off the backing to that. And I'm going to place my leopard print splash on first. And now I'm going to center this and press it down. And yeah, that was the first layer, so now I'm going to get my A and do the same thing for it. And now I'm going to do the same with my white letters. And that's the finished final part. I'm going to have to put in the actual chain
on the keychain. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I use my pliers and I press the 2 gold bands together. And I put the tassel on, and here is what it looks like. It's turned out so cute. I usually do not put Mod Podge on top of my keychain,
but you can if you want to. And now I'm going to be showing you 2 different ones that I've already made. And that leads us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I will be having a Valentine's Day giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye guys.